Alright, we just practiced with multiplying decimals, and that was if it was written in this vertical format. What if it's written horizontally like this? Well, technically it's still multiplication. When we don't have an operation between these two numbers, we automatically assume it to be multiplication. Now, it would be easier if we would write it up and down rather than sideways. So I'm going to go ahead and write this as 0.0052 times 0.009. Now notice I didn't put the zeros before the decimal. We don't really have to have them there, and sometimes it makes it a little bit more confusing to see. But I'm just going to ignore that these zeros and these decimals are here, and I'm just going to multiply what would be the whole numbers. So I'm going to multiply 52 times 9. So 9 times 2 would be 18. And 9 times 5 would be 45, plus 1 is 46. So that would be 46 there. Now we're going to worry about our decimal. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. Here we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So our answer will have to have 7 decimal places. So I always start with behind your last digit, and then move that many places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's where our decimal would be. Now notice we don't have anything in here. We have to put in 0 placeholders there. That's what it was talking about when it said add zeros to the left if necessary. So our answer here would be 0.0000468. Okay. Alright, here's a problem that says insert a decimal point in the product. They've already done the multiplication for us. They said here we have 520 times 0.56. And they said here's what our answer, the numbers are going to be. We have to figure out where the decimal goes. Well, think about our decimal in our first answer. Our first factor, I should say. Our first factor doesn't have any decimals in it at all. It has 0 decimal places. Our second factor here has 2 decimal places. So that means that our answer needs to have 0 plus 2, or 2 decimal places. So we start off always at the end, and then move 1, 2 decimal places. So my answer would be 291 and 20 hundredths.